Hello everyone, welcome to Vagdevi Tutorials. Those who are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe. In yesterday video of C, we have discussed about where identifiers. Today we will discuss about constants. In constants, what we will see, what is constant and types of constants. First we will see what is constant. A constant is an entity whose value remains the same throughout the execution of a program. So a constant is an entity, means value, means object whose value remains same throughout the execution of the program. If we give any constants to any variable, then the value does not change throughout the execution of the program. So we will see one example. Main function, opening brace int a is equals to 3, 6 is equals to a. Here a is equals to 3. We assigned 3 to variable a. So throughout the execution of the program, the value of a will be 3 only. It won't become as 5. It won't become as it won't change. So the value won't change throughout the execution of the program. It remains same throughout the execution of the program. That is constant. A constant is an entity whose value remains the same throughout the execution of the program. When we assign a value to a variable, the value won't change throughout the execution of the program. Okay. Here a is equals to 3. Throughout the execution of the program, the value of a will be 3. It won't change. That is called constants. Next, it cannot be placed on the left side of the assignment operator. Assignment operator means here equals to. In Max, we will call it as equals to, but here in C language, in programming languages, we call it as assignment operator. Here is equals to is the assignment operator. It cannot be placed on the left side of that assignment operator. So constant should not be placed left side of the assignment operator. It always should be right side of the assignment operator. We can see the example. A is equals to 2 is right. 3 is equals to A is false, because we should not place the constant left side of the assignment operator. I will also show how this is true. So I have written here int a is equals to 3, 6 is equals to a. But what is our point? Constant should not be placed left side of the assignment operator. So I have placed here left side of the assignment operator. I have written printf %t comma a. So we will see what is the input will be. It is error. What is the error? L value required as left operand of assignment. So we should not place constant left side of the assignment operator. We have to place only right side of the assignment operator. That is the meaning of that. Okay. Next point. It can be placed on the right side of the assignment operator, thus the constant has an R value. So constant should be placed only on the right side of the assignment operator. We should not place on the left side of the assignment operator. If we place, it leads to error. So constant has only R value, means we should place only right side of the assignment operator. So constant has only R value. Next, types of constants. Types of constants. Constants are of the following types. First one is integer constant. Integer constant or numbers without decimal point. So first one is integer constant. The numbers without decimal point is known as integer constant. Now we'll see some examples. That number should be preceded with minus or plus. It is an integer constant. So, but we should not have any decimal point. But it has only any plus or minus, any symbol it can be. But we should not use any decimal point. Numbers without decimal point are called integer constant. Now we'll see some examples. 6 is a number without any decimal points. It's an integer. Minus 23. So I have said that it may be preceded with minus or plus. So it is a integer constant. So 23 is also integer constant because it does not have any decimal point. Plus 456. It is also integer constant without decimal point. So it does not have any decimal point. So it is an integer constant. 2.3. It has decimal point here. Point is decimal point. Decimal point here. So it is not an integer constant. What is integer constant? Numbers without decimal point are called integer constant. 34.6. It is not integer constant because it has decimal point. Minus 56.3 is also integer, is not not integer constant because it has decimal point. Next, A12. It is also not an integer constant because no special character should be used um, in an integer constant. Only numbers should be used, digits. The digits should be ranges from 0 to 9 only. We should not use any special characters, any characters also. A12 is invalid integer constant. $23 is also invalid. 23.560 is also invalid. Next, floating point constant. Floating point constant means the numbers with decimal point. Numbers with decimal point is known as floating point constant. 120. It is not a floating point constant because it does not have any decimal points, so it is not a floating point constant. 23.456. It is a floating point constant because it has a decimal point. Minus 4312.345295. It is also decimal point because it has decimal. It is also a floating point constant because it has decimal point. It should be preceded with any plus or minus, so it is a floating point constant. 1 point, it is also a floating point constant because it has decimal point. Minus 1.3 also floating point constant. Plus 2.3 also floating point constant. 0.1. 0.1 refers what? 0.1. So it is also a floating point constant because it has decimal point. Next, 123 is not a floating point constant because it does not have any decimal point. Minus 123 also not a floating point constant. 123.4.5 is not a floating point constant because it has two decimal points. Floating point constant means the numbers with decimal point, only one decimal point. So 123.4.5 is invalid floating point number because it has two decimal points. So it is invalid. $23.54. No special character should be used in floating point constant also. So it is invalid. Next, character constant. Character within single quotes, that is this one. Single quotes means this one. Character within single quotes is called character constant. The character must be only one. The one character should be enclosed with single quotes. There should not be more than one character. There should be only one character that should be enclosed within single quotes. Now we will see examples. Character will come under any digits or alphabets or special characters or white spaces come under character constant only. But floating point constant, integer constant, only digits that ranges from 0 to 9. But character constant may have any number of digits, any digits or numbers or alphabets or special characters or white spaces come under character constant, but it should be only one enclosed with single quotes. Examples: A within single quotes, it's a character constant. 3, it is digit. It is also a valid correct character constant because in character constant, digits are valid, numbers or some alphabets are valid, special characters are valid, and spaces also valid. So 3 is also character constant because it enclosed with double single quotes. Hash is special character, so it is also character constant because it is enclosed with single quotes. Opening brace is also a character constant. It is enclosed with single quotes. AB is not a character constant because only one character should be enclosed with single quotes. But here two characters are there, that is A and B. So it is not a character constant. Next, A within single quotes and there is only one character, so it is valid. S within single quotes and only one character, so it is valid. 5, it is within single quotes and only one character, it is valid. N, it is not valid, it is invalid because it does not enclose within single quotes. NA is also not a valid character constant because it is enclosed within single quotes only, but there are two characters. What is character constant? There should be only one character within single quotes, but here there are two characters within single quotes, so it is invalid. Gagan, it is enclosed with single quotes only, but there are more than one character, so it is not a character constant. Character constant means only one character should be present that should be enclosed within single quotes. Next, now we will come to string constant. What is string constant? One or more characters within double quotes are known as string constant. Like character constant, string constant can also have digits, alphabets, special characters, and white spaces. So these are all valid in string constant, but they should be enclosed within double quotes. So, like for example, H is also a uh, valid string constant because in definition they have given that one or more characters within double quotes. So here one character is within double quotes, so it is valid string constant. Hi within double quotes is also a valid string constant. 123 is also valid string constant. How are you? How are you is also valid string constant because string will allow digits, alphabets, special characters, and white spaces. Here question mark is special character, so it is a valid string constant. Next 123.45 within double quotes. It is also a valid string constant. Next 23. 23 is invalid because there are two characters, but they are included within single quotes. But what is the definition of string constant? One or more characters within double quotes is known as string constant. But 23 is enclosed within single quotes, so it is not a valid string constant. Hi bye. This is also an invalid string constant because it is enclosed within single quotes. String constant means one or more characters that should be enclosed within double quotes. So thank you. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.